Once upon a time, it was just a dream. Once upon a time, I was there. Nangangarap din ako. Nakikinig lang ako dun sa mga top sellers natin. And then, ginamit kong drive yung mga sinasabi nila para matupad ko rin yung sarili kong pangarap. As long as hindi kayo bibitaw sa yes na. As long as makikinig kayo, as long as gagawin nyo lahat ng mga sinasabi ng mga top sellers natin, one day, all your dreams will come true.
God is good. Napakaganda lagi ng plano niya. And I am living proof of that na talagang lahat ng plano namin, laging mas hinihigitan ni Lord. Kaya itong yes lang na to, sobrang thankful ako kasi hindi naman kami makakakuha ni Mike, ng asawa ko, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, kung hindi dahil sa yes na.
I opened up my eyes, I saw the sun, and I realized, yeah, I got a feeling that it's gonna be a good day. Hey, 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 it's gonna be a good day. Hey, 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 hey. I've got clouds in my shoes. I'm gonna break gravity's rules.
Let's dig narrow and deep. Laliman natin yung knowledge natin dito. I remember sabi ni Sofia Natividad, focus on the roots before the fruits will come out. Kakalat yung roots mo. At in that case, hindi ka basta-bastang mabubuhay. Hindi ka basta-bastang mag-give up. Kasi malalim na ang hugot at understanding mo sa business na tinatawag.
I got a feeling that it's gonna be a good day. Hey, 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 it's gonna be a good day. A good day.
Yes, La Realty OPC is honored to promote you to the position of Operations Manager. Your commitment to excellence has been instrumental to the growth and success of our organization.